Nature is where I feel alive. It is where I feel joy, happiness, and love. Because nature and the earth have a high frequency. They are not the society. They have this high frequency. So go around nature, go outside, whatever the weather is, even if it's snowing, freezing, raining, or maybe shining. Just go outside and go around nature and connect with nature. Connect with the tree, connect with the forest, and connect with this high frequency, which brings so much love and happiness into the heart.